Did you know your Samsung phone can now perform over 20 different actions with just your fingers? In this video, I'll show you how to use the new multi-finger gestures in One UI 9 to take screenshots, open apps, control media, and much more. Galaxy users customizable gestures using 2, 3, 4, or even 5 fingers. This is one of the biggest home-up updates in One UI 9. To enable 2 or 3 finger gesture to your Samsung phone, make sure updated with One UI 9 and GoodLock Home-Up module, running the latest version 18.0.00.24 or newer. Tap on Home Up on your Samsung Galaxy device. Tap on Gesture Settings. Toggle it on. Tap on Multi-Finger Gesture to customize different finger action. Select the fingers you want to use, like 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, and 5 fingers. You can assign actions to swipe left, swipe right, swipe up, swipe down, pinch in, pinch out, single tap, double tap, long tap. Now, select the action you can access using Samsung Multi-Finger Gesture feature. Some of the available actions include Recent Key, Take Screenshot, Open Recent Apps, Split Screen, AI Select, Launch your favorite app, Circle to search, Toggle flashlight, Open camera. After set all the action to your finger gesture, go to the home screen. Apply all the multi-finger gesture to quickly perform it, like 2 fingers, 3 fingers, etc. Have a favorite multi-finger gesture? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Samsung tips.